Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Cargador sa Canada. We are here in Canadian Tire. And they have a free popcorn. Hi Mr. Steve, what are you doing there, Mr. What we have here, Mr. Steve?
I'm a popcorn guy.
Oh wow, such a lucky person, popcorn guy.
Are you gonna have some today?
Yes, please. You wanna walk? And they have a big, huge mommy. Scary one. Look at inside the Canadian. There. Where are you? And I'm getting my free popcorn. Ta-da! I love freeze. Hi! Hi! Are you scared of the mommy? Hi! Hi, that is Robbie. Can you smile to Robbie?
I will save you.
Come on.
I will save you.
Go get it.
I will save you. Let me save you. Let me save you.
Hi. Popcorn.
You know what?
So I'm gonna tiptoe. I can't reach my thingy. So I'm trying my free popcorn here in Canadian Tire. I'm gonna change it. Gonna move it a little bit. There. And let's try to taste it. Yummy. Yummy popcorn. Taste popcorn. There. Okay, let's find our daughter now. Oh, look at there. What do you have there? Wow. It's beautiful. So we're still here in Canadian Tire. Makain kami. Wow. Our favorite store. Because guess what? I work here. I've been working here for 12 years now. This is my first job in Canada. And guess what? Guess what, ladies and gentlemen? We are all ready for the Christmas! Hi! Yan. Ready na kami for Christmas. As you can see, guys, we are not done yet. We're not done yet. Yun. So, hindi pa tapos mag-merchandise. What you doing? May mga nagsasabi sa akin, may mga nagtatanong sa akin kung hiring daw kami dito. So, sorry guys, unfortunately, nag-stop hiring kami kasi madaming ang tao dito. So, sorry kung hindi ko kayo matulungan for now. Kasi nga, nagtanong din ako sa good job! Nagtanong din ako sa employer namin kung willing siyang mag-hire ng temporary foreign worker. Unfortunately, hindi ko alam, pass. Hindi daw, kasi nga madaming immigrants dito sa Manitoba. Oh, Bubble! Look at my daughter there, she loves bubbles. Where? Bubble! Bubble, we have a lot of bubbles. So, hindi nga siya mag-hire na. Kasi nga, nagkakaubusan na ng trabaho dito sa Canada. Kung nababalitaan nyo naman, nadaming mga walang trabaho na. So, yung mga nandito na nagre-reklamo na kasi yung mga estudyanteng dito ipinanganak, mga Canadian talaga, hindi na makapaghanap ng trabaho. Lalo may mga estudyante na gusto magtrabaho. Ayun, kaya stop hiring kami. Kawawa naman. Let's go. Oh, so, uuwi na kami. Kasi, nandito lang kami para pick upin si asawa kasi dito din nagtatrabaho. Okay? Bye-bye!